In this video, you will see how to make dotted table in Word. There are two quick easy methods to make solid lines dotted in Word document. First, what you need to do is go to the Insert tab and under the table, select the size of the table you want. After inserting the table, click inside the cell and then select the whole table. After selecting the table, right click on it and go to table properties. Then click on border and shading. From here we can change the border style of the table. Make sure you have clicked on the borders tab and then click on all. You can see the styles of the border. This is the dotted, this is dash, and if you scroll down you will even see more options. So for this tutorial I am selecting here dash or a dotted, so let's say dash, and you can change the color of the border if you want to, let's say red color, and you can see the preview how the table will look. And under the width you can select the thickness of the table border, so I am selecting 3 points, and as you can see the thickness of the border has increased. Make sure you have selected the option table here and then click on OK and OK. So this is one method. In the next method, just select the table and you will see here the option of table design. Click on it and you will see the option of border styles. You can select the border styles if you have here, or you can click on the border style option here and you can see the options of border style. So I am selecting here, let's say this time dotted border, and then select the thickness of the border and change the color of the border. Now in the borders, click on the drop down and select the option all borders to make all table borders dotted. Now let's say you just want some part of the table with the dotted border. So in that case, what you need to do is just select the cells, and after selecting, select the style of the line, for example solid, and select thickness and then click on all borders. So in this way you can make dotted table in Word document. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos related to Word table. See you again in the next one.